Alright, you guys, another beautiful day in Idaho. Got a break from trash and lawn mowing to actually have some fun. Got the Kioti tractor out right now and we're working on this road. It's pretty mud bogged out, pretty gross. Yeah, you can see it right there, some of the soft dirt I put down, but this connects to this really cool road. I found an awesome ride up this way. So I'm excited this connects the park right to it and you don't have to use the highway. I think everyone's really going to appreciate it. We got a lot of ATVers out here, so I'm excited. I get to play with the tractor. I am a certified equipment operator. Many of you guys don't know that or don't believe me when I did tell you, but I'm out here running the tractor. So I'm going to try and get this done before the mosquitoes eat me. Gotta say, this is a super nice tractor. They got this, I think, a year ago, so it's still brand new. Not a bad view. Pretty nice just being out in the woods running the thing too. This is the back side of our property here, so get to get out of the park and rip and tear some mud out in the woods. So this will work for me. This is it's my kind of job now, so hopefully I get to do a little more tractor work out here now that they see that I can run this thing. So all right, let's have some fun. Got that fill dirt dumped, and I'm just gonna keep back dragging it. Put the bucket on float. That just releases all the hydraulics and just drags it, the loose weight over the loose soil, so it smooths it out. I'm already getting through. Stalled it out. That's all right. Look at that. Ooh, yeah, Coyote. Well, there you have it. It's looking pretty good. Did about almost 30 bucket loads and lost count of the passes, but this is looking pretty good. There's a few little soft spots that I'm just gonna let dry out, but not too shabby. Not bad for how rusty I was. I haven't run a tractor in a while. Alright. Sweet. Everyone's going to be real happy about that. And pretty good day of work. I'm usually just mowing lawns, emptying trash, but got to have fun today, so I'll show you guys some more of what I got going on. I know a lot of you are asking what I'm doing, so I'm going to try showing it to you. My boss is really cool and gave me the okay. He's like, you know, as long as it's not interfering with work too much, I can film. So I'm going to try and capture it. Probably not going to film doing trash. You guys can probably figure that one out. So I did about 6 bucket loads and filled this in too. These guys cut a path in here when this was all swamped out, and we're trespassing on our property off-roading, so that should take care of them till next year.